and 9-day forecast, so you'll know first. This is First Alert Weather.
Just talking to Brittany out in the Weather Center. Yeah, we do have some thunderstorms that'll be rolling through. It is going to be an alert day on your Tuesday. It is going to be, at least in descending order, damaging winds number 1. You usually don't see flooding second on the list. We usually have large hail and tornadoes up there. This is a lower threat for that. It's just not going to organize with all the ingredients coming together for that. It'll probably be a line of thunderstorms, and you usually don't have enough of the updrafts being mature enough to get that large hail and that tornado threat. Still on the board, just not quite as much getting my attention as the wind and the flooding situation, because we are going to pick up quite a bit of rain out of this. Here's the way it's going to play out. Several rounds of storms, the severe potential, and we're going to outline that in just one second. Then the rest of the week we have other periods of rain and thunderstorms, but those don't look severe. But because we're going to see another chance of some rain right on the heels of this stuff, we could see some flooding. So let's start with the exclusive First Alert 9-day forecast. We go from 70 to 76 degrees during the daytime hours on your Tuesday. And here is the better area of where the thunderstorms, if they get strong enough to be severe, will be mainly on the Missouri side or farther south of even Johnson County and Miami County on the Kansas side. So it's pretty much right along I-35 and eastward. That's when they should mature. That'll be the second line that moves through in the afternoon hours. And as mentioned, looks like wind and flooding more so than hail and tornado threat for that. Wednesday, we dry out. 74, closer to normal, a little below actually. And the humidity lowers too, so feel a lot more comfortable then. Then those smaller chances of rain each and every day, but don't cancel plans yet. We're going to use the word slim chances for thunderstorms. Upper 70s to near 80 degrees into the weekend and into early next week. 81 on Monday, near 80 on Tuesday. Chance of thunderstorms coming back in again on Wednesday. But let's talk about tomorrow's alert day in greater detail. Here's a look at First Alert Future Scan. This is now picking up at the present time, and we have mostly cloudy skies developing, and that first wave of energy moves through between midnight and 2, depending on where you are. The farther west you are, earlier. The farther east you travel, the more likely it'll be a little later. By 6 in the morning, still some rain showers around. Another line of thunderstorms broken moves in for the late morning hours, clearing out by the early afternoon, but we still don't get a huge break. And that's a good thing. If we don't break out into total sunshine, that's another ingredient that may be off the table to make these thunderstorms grow and mature in the afternoon hours. So still a couple could produce some damaging winds, that low hail and tornado threat, and still some heavier downpours. I mean, look what happens between 3 and 5. That'll be the cold front moving through. It clears out pretty rapidly, so even after 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening, it pushes down toward I-50 highway, that is, toward Marshall and Sedalia. This is by 9:45 or about this time in 24 hours or so. Most of the rain at least starting to die down a little bit. But the flood watch is out for just about everybody, and that's why it's number 2 on our list, because some areas could pick up anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Saturated soil will be left over, so when the next batch moves in Thursday, Friday, Saturday, it won't have much to be able to seep in. It'll just run off, and that could cause some problems again. Right now it's quiet. We have some clouds, 73 degrees at the present time, dropping down to 70 tonight. Tomorrow morning about 71 degrees with that soggy commute. And then another chance redeveloping in the afternoon on that alert day with a high then of 76.